Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll go through the Redeemer machine on HackTheBox. I'll show you some basics on how to use Redis database and how we can perform some penetration into it. Once we have established our VPN connection, we open a new terminal window and we get to do some basic enumeration on Nmap to run some network reconnaissance. Let's type in the terminal nmap-p-. That's going to allow us to scan the entire possible port range because we want to look for ports that might not be so common or are on random numbers. After that, we type -s capital V and then -s capital C. -s capital B is going to run a service enumeration on the ports that it finds open, and -s capital C is going to run scripts against those services to try to gain more information that we can use to attack it. We paste the IP address of the target and hit enter. Results will show port 6379 open running under the Redis service. Redis is an in-memory based key value store. It will store a small amount of information that people can access really fast compared to other databases, since this one in particular is stored in their system. So it basically trades amounts of storage in exchange for fast retrieval. Before we attack it, there's one more thing we need to install, and that's going to be Redis tools. If you are on Kali, you can write sudo apt-get install redis-tools to interact with the Redis database on our target. Now we type redis-cli-h to specify the host followed by the IP address. We need to start running some commands to gain some information from this. A prompt will show up. Write keys and the start key. This usually takes a while. If you get a message error connection reset by peer, it basically is a terminology from the TCP/IP protocol, and all it means is that the connection to the server was unexpectedly closed. To fix this, you can either reset the machine and try to refresh the browser, or HackTheBox at the same time. That did the trick for me. It's most likely a problem on their end. Once you have it up and running, we can see there's 4 values. The first slot shows our flag. Therefore, we type the command get flag and we should be done for this exercise.